Good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to solve our first exercise on matrices. Okay, in my online lecture and in my notes, I already explained you about the types of matrix, what is a matrix, definition of matrix, okay, and the all concept related to matrices. Okay, I already discussed you about that. Okay, in this video I am going to start direct exercise. Okay, therefore the first exercise of matrices is, and slowly I will going to explain the previous concept also. Okay, simultaneously when solving the example, means what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and whatever that, and the types of matrices also. Okay, therefore just watch this video very carefully and try to solve the exercise. Okay, this video will definitely solve your all problems, all doubts related to the matrices. Okay, then we are going to start now. Okay, the first example is construct. They ask to construct us a matrix. Okay, that A equal to Aij 3 by 2. Okay, I explain you that this is a general form of matrices where A is a capital letter and matrix denoted by a capital letter. A equal to Aij. Aij means what? Elements. Okay, elements of A, matrix A, and I is nothing but the position of row. Again and again I told you that small I is equal to position of row and j equal to position of column. Okay, therefore, and 3 by 2, this is the order, means we are going to construct a matrix that will be a order of 3 by 2, means there will be a 3 row present and 2 columns are present, and the condition of elements is that I plus j bracket square divided by 2. Okay, then the solution is what? Then listen here, the solution. Okay, we, okay, here let the matrix A equal to what? We are going to construct a matrix A where 3 rows and 2 columns are here. Means 3 rows means what? 1, 2, 3 rows and 2 columns means 1 and 2 columns. Okay, therefore here will be the present. Which element is present here? First row, first column, A11, and here first row, second column, A12, and here second row, first column, A21, and here, okay, second row, second column, A22, here third row, okay, here third row, first column, and here third row, second column, means 1, 2, 3 rows and 1 and 2, means 3 by 2 are a matrix. Okay, now we are going to calculate these elements A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. Okay, but to calculate these particular elements we use this condition. Okay, they already give us this condition. Okay, and Aij equal to what? I plus j bracket square divided by 2. Okay, this is given. Therefore for first element, okay, now for A11, okay, A11, here this is a arrow for you. Okay, don't write in exam. Okay, this is the value of 1 is the value of I, and this one is the value of j. Okay, therefore here I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. Okay, I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. Therefore just put this value in a given condition. Therefore above condition or formula become, above condition becomes, okay, then above condition becomes, just put down the value of I and j. Okay, nothing more. A11 A11 equal to 1 plus 1 bracket square divided by 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 bracket square divided by 2. Okay, just simplify this now. Okay, A11 equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 bracket square divided by 2 equal to 2 2 are 4 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. The answer is what? 2. Therefore, the first element A11 is nothing but 2. Okay, so now this solved. This first element is solved here. Okay, now move down to the next element is A12. Okay, for A12. Now here what we have, the value of I is nothing but, very good, 1. Okay, I equal to 1 and j equal to what? 2. Very good. Okay, just put down the value of this I and j to the given condition. Therefore, above condition becomes here, no need to write this always again and again. Okay, but slowly I am going to skip this step. Okay, but slowly. Okay, above condition becomes what? A11. I am just going to put this value I equal to 1 and j equal to what? 2. Okay, then equal to what here? 1 plus 2 bracket square and divided by 2. Your simplification should be strong. Okay, then 1 plus 2 is nothing but, very first solve the bracket, 3 bracket square divided by 2. This will be a 3 bracket square is nothing more but 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. Okay, 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. Okay, if you want to solve this, then solve, but we just keep this number integer same, 9 by 2. Okay, now for this solve A21. Okay, slowly, particularly we are going to solve the all elements here. Okay, A21, therefore I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. Therefore, now directly A21 equal to 2 plus 1. Now I am going to solve the direct. Okay, here you can understand everything. Just put down the value of I plus j. Okay, then what is the 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 here bracket square divided by 2. Okay, then 2 plus 1 is nothing but what? 3 square divided by 2. Okay, 3 plus divided by 2. Okay, then solve this. Okay, then now for A21 is here I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. Therefore, I am directly solve this element. Here just put the value of I and j, means A21 equal to 2 plus 1 bracket square divided by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 square divided by 2. Okay, therefore here also the second one element is 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. Okay, 3 by 9. Therefore, A21 equal to also 9 by 2. Okay, 9 by 2. Now, okay, A22. Okay, what? A22. Now, no need to write the value of I and j. Here we know the value of I is 2 and the value of j is 2. You can solve directly. Okay, therefore put down here A22 equal to 2 plus 2 bracket square divided by 2. Solve this. 2 plus 2 is 4 bracket square divided by 2. Okay, A22 equal to what? 4 square is nothing but 16. Okay, or you can solve this. 4 square is nothing but 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. Okay, you can solve in your own way also. Okay, but simplification must be correct. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are what? 8. Therefore, the second row, second element is nothing but what? 8. Okay, here now the third row and first element is what? Now A31 equal to, okay, A31 equal to 3 plus 1. The value of I is 3. and the value of j is 1, bracket square divided by 2. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 square, okay, divided by 2. Here 3, okay, 3, 1, 8, 3, 1 equal to, okay, 16 divided by 2. 4 square is nothing but what? 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 6. Here 8 3 1 is equal to 8. Okay, and the last element is now A32 equal to what? Okay, 3 plus 2 bracket square divided by 2. Value of 3 is I and value of I is 3 and the value of j is 2. 3 2. Okay, then 3 plus 2 divided by 2. 3 plus 2 bracket square divided by 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 is nothing but what? 5 square divided by 2. Okay, 832 equal to 5 square is nothing but 25 divided by 2. Here it is not completely divided by 2. 25 is not completely divided by 2. Therefore we keep it same. Okay, then we now solve the all elements. Okay, and our first element is what? A22. Okay, A11 equal to 2, A12 equal to 9 by 2. Here A21 equal to what? 9 by 2, A22 equal to 8, A31 equal to 8 and A32 equal to 25 upon 2. Okay, just put these all values here. Okay, therefore you can write here, we are going to construct this unknown matrix here, 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, therefore just screenshot. Okay, just took a screenshot here. Okay, is it okay? Is it clear? Now I am going to rub this side. Okay, only this side. Okay, therefore this is your example. Okay, for it. Therefore name this, suppose first. Therefore the matrix become, therefore the matrix becomes, what is the matrix? This matrix. Okay, then just put down the values. Okay, what is your answer? A equal to what? 2 divided by, sorry, A equal to, we are going to put the value. Okay, A11 equal to what? 2. A12 equal to what? 9 by 2. A21 equal to what? 9 by 2. Okay, A22 equal to what? 8. Okay, and A31 equal to 8 and A32 equal to 25 upon 2. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, this is your final answer. For this condition, the given 3 by 2 matrix will be what? 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8, 8, 25 by 2. Okay, just take a screenshot. Okay, okay, this is your example. Okay, now just you for homework. Okay, I am going to rub this. Okay, okay, for you this is a homework, and just here took minus sign. Okay, solve this and just comment me on my YouTube channel. Okay, if you still not subscribe and like my channel, then please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because whenever I post my video, then it will be notified to you directly. Okay, then this is for you homework. Okay, now, okay, just comment me the actual matrix using this condition in my comment box. Okay, I will wait for your answers. Okay, and the next example is what? Aij equal to I minus 2j. Okay, okay, take a screenshot please. This example is for you. Okay. Now again construct a matrix A equal to Aij 3 by 2 means again we are going to construct the matrix which have the 3 rows and 2 columns where the element condition is what? Aij equal to I minus 2j, where Aij equal to I minus 2j. This is a condition for these elements. Okay. Now the solution is, what's the solution? Okay. Now the solution is here let, okay, here 3 by 2 matrix, therefore A will be a matrix A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay, this will be a 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, when we solve all elements, then we are going to put the particular value of this element to this matrix. Okay, this one. And given what we have here, condition in Aij equal to 1 minus 2j. Okay, now you better know that just remember the value of I and j and put down to the put that value to this condition and solve this, and you will get the whole 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements. Okay, therefore now I am going to solve this example directly, okay, with less simplification. Okay. Now for A11, now don't forget that this is the value of I, this is the value of j. Okay, I means what? The position of row, and j means what? The position of column. Okay, don't forget it. I am repeating this cast again and again. Okay, then directly put the value here. A11 equal to, okay, 1 minus I minus 2j. Sorry, here I is present. Okay, I minus 2j. Sorry. Okay, this is Aij equal to I minus 2j. Condition is, I forget to here to take the dot here. Okay, I minus 2j. Therefore, the value of I is what? 1 minus 2. Here the multiplication sign is, okay, it's imaginary. J, value of j is also a 1. Okay, just putting the value of I and j. A11 equal to 1 minus 2. Therefore, A11 equal to minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Now A21 equal to value of I is 2, j is 1. Okay, 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1. Just put down the value of I and j. A21, 2 minus 2. Okay, therefore A21 equal to what? 0. 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0. Now, what? A 21. Okay, very first 1 2 also value of 1 2 2 1. Okay, A21. Okay, A21 ये हो गया आपका A21. Now move down to the A31. Okay, sorry, this is right, but we are going to solve by row. Therefore, we will take here. This is right, but if the sequence is incorrect, then it will be a possible that you will even though your answers, the elements are correct, but the placement, when you place that particular element, then it will be a wrong after end of the example. Therefore, just go in a sequence, okay, particular way. A11, then after that A12 equal to what? 1 minus 2 multiplied by 2. The value of j is 2. Okay, A12 equal to 1 minus 4. Therefore, A12 equal to minus 3. Okay, now A12, A21. Okay, A21 equal to A21 equal to 1 minus 2 multiplied by A21, 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, A21 equal to 2 minus 2. A21 equal to 0. Okay, A21 equal to 0. Here the value of I equal to 1, j equal to 1. Okay, here the value of I equal to 1, j equal to 2. Here the value of I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. This is for you. Okay. Now A22 equal to, okay, 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, here the I equal to 2 and j also equal to 2. A22 equal to 2 minus 4. Okay, A22 equal to what? 2 minus 4. A22 equal to minus 2. Now A22, now A31 equal to 3 minus 2 multiplied by 1. A31 equal to 3 minus 2. A31 equal to 1. Okay, here I equal to 3 and j equal to 1. Okay, this is for you. 32 equal to, okay, 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, A32 equal to 3 minus 4. Okay, A32 equal to minus 1. Okay, therefore the matrix is, okay, matrix is A equal to, okay, A11, the value of A11 is minus 1. Okay, this, okay, minus 1. A12 is this 3. Okay, 0. Okay, A22 is minus 2. A31 is 1. A32 is minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, this is your answer. Minus 1, minus 3, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 1. Okay, now using this step or like this, you can solve a mini example and can be construct your own matrix. Okay, now here 3 by 2 matrix, therefore we just take this element. If you ask to find the 3 by 3 matrix, suppose here if you have a 3 by 3 matrix, then the elements will, the general matrix will A12, A13, A23, A33. Okay, and you will going to solve the all elements. Okay, means the 9 elements, and when you solve the element, then just put the value end of the example. Okay. Now I am going to give you a extra example. You solve this. Okay, and please comment me. Okay. Okay, and I am going to give you a extra example. Just comment me. Okay, what? Let construct, this is for homework assignment. Construct a matrix. Construct a matrix A equal to Aij 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, where there will be a two example where Aij equal to, the first example is I plus 4j divided by 2. I plus 4j divided by 2. Okay, and the second one is Aij equal to 2i minus j 2i minus j bracket square. Okay, just simplify these two examples, and you can just post your answer in your comment box, or you can message me on WhatsApp on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, you know very well. Now move down to the next example. Okay,
Start.
here our second example of our exercise is, they are asking to classify the following matrices. They are asking to classify these matrices. Here 9 matrices is given to you. Okay, then what is the classification? Means just remember the topic of types of matrices. Okay, I already teach you the row matrix where the particular one row is present, column matrix, symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, scalar matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, non-diagonal matrix. Okay, skew symmetric, transpose of matrix, identity matrix. Okay, I told you lots of types of matrices. Then we are going to use the definition of particular and definition to solve these 9 examples. Okay, here the first one is 3 minus 2 4 0 0 minus 4 0 0 7. Just observe this. Okay, here the below the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, these are your diagonal elements. Okay, these are your diagonal elements. Okay, these are your, and below the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, then the below the, if the matrix contains below the diagonal elements are 0, okay, then this is called as a upper triangular matrix. Okay, what? Upper triangular matrix. Okay, this is a type of upper triangular matrix. Now just observe this second 0 4 7. Okay, if you observe this, then the non-diagonal elements have the opposite sign. Okay, here 4, here minus 4 is present. Here 7, the opposite number minus 7 is present. Here minus 3 and the opposite number 3 is present. And all the diagonal elements are 0. Then this is called as a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, this is called as a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, then here this is a only one column is present, therefore is a column matrix. Okay, this is a row matrix. Okay, this is a non-diagonal elements are 0 and the diagonal elements are same, therefore this is a scalar matrix. Okay, this is a scalar matrix. Okay, here non-diagonal elements means upper diagonal elements, non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay, these elements are 0. Okay, like this. Here the below the diagonal elements are 0, therefore it is the upper triangular, therefore this will be a what? Lower triangular matrix. Okay, lower triangular matrix. Okay, here all the non-diagonal elements are 0, upper always are lower, and the diagonal elements are present. Okay, it can be any number. Okay, then these numbers are called, then this matrix are called, what is this matrix are called? Diagonal matrix. What? Diagonal matrix. Okay, here okay, suppose these are non-diagonal elements, these are non-diagonal. Observe that non-diagonal elements are same. Minus 15, minus 15, 27, 27, root of 34, root of 34. Okay, if this condition is available, then this is a symmetric matrix. What? Symmetric matrix. Okay, this is a symmetric matrix. Okay, if you just take a transpose of this matrix, then it will be a same. Okay, just a screenshot. I will going to explain this example to you. Okay, just take a screenshot. Okay, done it. Okay, then for this example, okay, what do you mean by symmetric matrix? Okay, here what is your matrix? 10 minus 15 27 minus 15 0 5 by 3 27 under root of 34 and 5 by 3. Okay, this, suppose this is a matrix. If you just do that, take a transpose of this matrix, then row become column and column become row. 10 minus 15 27, row become column, minus 15 0 5 by 3. This is a row, it will be a column now. Okay, 5 by 3. Okay, and if you observe, minus 15 27 minus 15 0 5 by 3 27. Okay, sorry sir, this is not a skew symmetry. Okay, the problem is 10 minus 15 0. Okay, minus 15 0 34. Okay, symmetric matrix, if we take, sorry, my mistake here. Okay, A equal to what? 10 minus 15 27 minus 15 0 root of 34 27 under root of 34 and 5 by 3. Okay, then A transpose equal to 10 minus 15 27 minus 15 0 root of 34 and 27 root of 34 and 5 by 3. Okay, if you observe these two matrices, this is a transpose of each other, then the matrix is same. If this condition is happen, then this matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. Therefore this is a symmetric matrix. Okay, the transpose of that matrix is same, therefore that matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. And the last one is what? Okay, diagonal elements are 1 and now non-diagonal elements are 0. This is scalar matrix also, but the most proper answer is this is a unit matrix. Okay, unit matrix or identity matrix. Identity matrix. Okay, then just take a screenshot. Now our next example is, they are asking to classify the singular and non-singular matrix. The question is what? Determine following matrices are singular or non-singular. Okay, then you have to know the definition of singular and non-singular matrix. If we know determinant of A is equal to 0, then it's a singular matrix. Okay, and if the determinant of A is not equal to 0, then this is a non-singular matrix. Okay, non-singular matrix. Okay, then what? For this matrix's answer, we have to solve the determinant here. Okay, now for these two examples, I will solve these two examples. I will post the video of these two examples how to solve this determinant when I will going to explain the determinant chapter to you. Okay, because there are some conditions, there are some properties to solve the determinant shortly. Okay, in a short way. Therefore these two examples we will going to solve in our next chapter. Okay, now we solve these two examples. Okay, therefore for this third one is A equal to what? 3 5 7. Okay, the matrix is 3 5 7 minus 2 1 4 3 2 5 3 2 5. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, we are going to solve the determinant. Okay, then the determinant of A is equal to, okay, what is the sign of determinant? Like this: 3 5 7 minus 2 1 4 3 2 5. Okay, then how you can solve the determinant? Okay, just take 3 number. Okay, just delete the particular row and the particular column. First row, first column. Okay, means 1 4 2 5 1 4 2 5 Okay, minus sign is compulsory. Now take a next number 5. Here the first row and second column will be deleted. First row and second column, what you see? Minus 2 3 4 5, minus 2 3 4 5. Okay, and plus sign is compulsory. Okay, now take the number 7, multiply by, okay, right, just delete the first row and third column. What you get? Minus 2 1 3 2. Okay, minus 2 1 3 2 3 2. Okay, then we are going to simplify this. Here these two example we will solve after the determinant chapter. Okay, just remember this. Now the determinant of A is equal to 3. This is a 2 by 2 determinant. Okay, 3 multiply by, okay, 1 5 is 5, minus 8 minus 5 multiply by, minus 10 12, okay, plus 7 multiply by, minus 4 minus 3. Okay, determinant of A equal to, okay, 3 multiply by minus 3, minus 5 multiply by, minus minus plus, minus 22. Okay, plus 7 multiply by, minus 7 4 5 6 7, minus minus plus. Okay, determinant of A equal to 3 3s are 9, minus 9 minus 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 plus. Okay, 0 5 10 11 1 1 0, 5 to the 10. Okay, 5 to the 10 11 1 1 0, plus plus minus minus 7 7s are 49. Determinant of A is equal to, okay, what? 1 1 0 1 1 0, minus minus plus. Okay, 9 or 49. Okay, just add them, minus n available 58. Okay, determinant of A is equal to, okay, what the determinant of A is equal to? 52. Okay, the value is 52. Here we get, here determinant of A is not equal to 0, therefore matrix A is non-singular matrix. Okay, the matrix A is what? Non-singular matrix. Matrix A is what? Non-singular matrix. Okay, then this is for you homework. Okay, just solve the determinant. 7 7s are 49, minus minus plus, 5 4s are 20. Okay, 5 4s are 20, 49 or 20 means 69. The answer will be a 69. Therefore this is also a, okay, 7 5 minus 4 7, सत्य सत्य को ना 4 पंचे 20, minus minus 20, 69. Okay, here will be a 69. The determinant will be a not equal to 0, shortcut. Therefore this is also a non-singular matrix. Okay, this is for you homework. This is a homework. Okay, now move down to the next example. Please take a screenshot here. Okay, please take a screenshot from here. The answer is now our next example. The next question is what? Find K if the following matrices are singular. Okay, and there are 3 questions here. This and this. Okay, these 3 questions means we are going to find the unknown value of K here. The unknown value of K for this example, the unknown value of K for this, and the unknown value of K for this example. Okay, and what is the condition of these 3 matrices? That these 3 matrices are singular matrix. Singular matrix means what? The determinant of this particular matrix already they given us 0. Okay, so we suppose that this matrix a singular matrix, this suppose that means they are given us. Okay, then for the solution, okay, given what given given that the matrix is singular. Okay, this matrix is singular. Okay, therefore we know the condition determinant of A is equal to 0. Okay, means what? Here let, that is let A equal to this matrix. Okay, this matrix, just let this matrix A 7 3 minus 2k. Therefore for this condition, okay, using this condition, the determinant of A equal to what? 7 3 minus 2k equal to what? 0. Okay, determinant of A equal to 0. Okay, determinant of A equal to 7 3 minus 2k. Okay, therefore 7 minus 2 3k equal to 0. Since determinant of A equal to 0, singular matrix. Okay, this is a singular matrix, this is a given condition, therefore we know very well that the determinant of this particular matrix will be a 0, because this is the definition of singular matrix. Okay, just solve this now. 7 multiplied by k, 7 multiplied by k minus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2. You can solve directly here. Okay, 7 into k what? 7k minus plus 3 2s are 6 equal to 0. Okay, then 7k equal to 6 may be placed here and will be a change his sign. Plus 6 will be a change in minus 6. K equal to, this is multiply here that will be a divided. Okay, therefore this is the answer. What is the answer of k? Minus 6 by 7. Just took a screenshot. Okay, simultaneously you can solve the next example. Okay, the next example is homework for you. Okay, I am going to solve this example for you. This is a homework for you. Okay, just let the determinant of this particular matrix is 0 and solve like this. Okay, solve the determinant. Okay, one side is 0 and you can simplify that equation. Okay, okay, just took a screenshot. I am going to solve this example for you. I am going to rub this. Okay, now the third example is what? Third example, let A equal to what? This. Okay, I am changing my writing method again and again. Okay, it's no matter, your answer will be a matter. K minus 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 minus 2 4. Okay, therefore determinant of A equal to what? K minus 1 2 3 3 1 2 1 minus 2 4. Okay, but the condition is that this matrix is a singular, but we know what? This determinant k minus 1 2 3 3 1 2 1 minus 2 4 1 minus 2 4 equal to 0. Since determinant of A equal to 0, singular matrix. Okay, matrix given. Okay, this is a given condition. Solve this determinant. Okay, k minus 1, therefore k minus 1 into, okay, first row deleted, first column deleted. What you say? 1 minus 2 2 4, minus sign compulsory, 2 minus sign compulsory. Now 2, second row and second column will delete it. What you see here? 3 1 2 4, 3 1 2 4, plus sign compulsory. Now move down to the next number 3, then first column and its row, particular row will delete it. What you see? 3 1 1 minus 2, 3 1 1 minus 2. Solve this. and this will be the other side is 0. Okay, the other side is 0. Okay, k minus 1 into, solve this, 1 into 4 4, minus sign, 2 into 2 minus 4. Okay, minus 2 into 3 4s are 12, 1 2s are 2, plus 3 into 3 2s are 6, minus sign is available here, minus 1 1s are 1 equal to what? 0. Simplify this, k minus 1 into 4, minus minus plus, 4 plus 4 what? 8. Okay, into 8. Okay, minus 12 minus 2 10, 10 2s are 20, minus 20, minus 6 minus 1 minus 7, 7 3s are 21, plus minus 21. Okay, minus 21 and equal to 0. Okay, 8 will be multiplied to the both element of this bracket, here and here. Okay, 8 will be the multiply to here and here also. Okay, then what we get? 8 into k, 8k, minus 8 into 1, 8, minus 22, just solve this, minus minus plus, 20 or 21, what? Minus 8k minus 8, minus 41. Okay, 8 into k, 8k, 8 ones are 8, and this simplification is minus 41 equal to what? 0. Simplify this, 8k minus minus plus 8 and 41, minus 49 equal to 0. Okay, 8k, this 49 will shift here. Okay, this will become a positive. Okay, k equal to 49 upon 8. Okay, therefore the k equal to what? 49 upon 8. 49 upon 8 is answer is a sufficient answer, or you can divide it that. Okay, the answer is what? The answer is, wait a minute, 49 upon 8. Okay, no need to do the division here. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Okay, just took a screenshot. Okay, this type of example you can solve. Now, our next example is, we are given a matrix A, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 1, 4, minus 4. Okay, we are going to find the transpose of transpose matrix. Okay, means two times we are going to find take a transpose of this particular matrix 2 times. Okay, therefore, very simple example, we know the transfer of transpose that matrix will be a same matrix. Okay, then transpose of this matrix, very first transpose of this matrix is what? Just interchange the rows and column. What we get? Minus 1, 0, this row it will become a column, this row will become a column, this row will become a column. Okay, but we solve this one. Now again just take a transpose of this transpose, means take a transpose of this matrix now. Okay, means transpose of transpose. Then again just interchange the row and column. This row will become a column, this row will become a column, this row will become a column. Okay, but you can directly say the answer what? The transpose of transpose is a same matrix. Observe here. Observe. Minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 2, 3, minus 3, 1, 4, minus 4. This question will ask in MCQs also. Means what? The transpose of transpose matrix is a same matrix, particular same matrix. Okay. Now here the video is too long here, so now hope you can solve the exercise now. Okay, I will solve again the means next example in my next video. Okay, so I am going to end this video here. Okay, once again I want to tell you that if you not subscribe my channel, please like, subscribe my channel. Okay, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. That's why when I post the video, you will get that video directly. Okay, bye, take care, have a nice day.